Departmental advice from Home Affairs told the government it was likely to win a High Court case on immigration detention. That advice turned out to be wrong, and hundreds more detainees could be released early next year.
The powerful Home Affairs Department is responsible for coordinating Australia's immigration system. Its advice is central to government strategy. But when briefing government on the expected outcome of a case regarding long-term immigration detention, the minister says they got it wrong.
We were advised that it was likely that the Commonwealth would win the case.
It didn't, prompting a scramble to toughen visa restrictions after nearly 100 in detention walked free.
Most people looking at this case would have assumed that the Commonwealth was going to win the case because it was 20 years of precedent, and it is quite unusual for the High Court to do what it did.
All up, 93 detainees, including high-level offenders, have so far been released. Around 250 remain in long-term detention. Some of those could also be set free when the High Court delivers the reason for its verdict early next year.
We will then be able to look at what else we can do about this. It's abundantly clear from the High Court's decision that I can't detain these people.
The whole point of the Parliament is we can change the law.
And it should consider the high-risk terrorist offenders regime as a possible solution to this problem.
Parliament breaks for a week before the final sitting session of 2023, but the government finds itself embroiled in political combat on multiple fronts, including friendly fire, as Labor-led states lash the proposed reshape of Australia's infrastructure pipeline.
We have part-funded these projects on the basis that they were funded also by the Commonwealth, so we deserve better than this.
We want the Federal Infrastructure Minister to stop the cuts to our state.
With the Prime Minister back on home soil, the government will attempt to change subject this week when it releases the long-awaited cyber security strategy. Cameron Redden, Sky News, Canberra.